Hey, this is Dan. We're back working on the Tenere again today. If you're new to the channel, I've got a 1250 GSA and a Tenere 700, and we're going to be working on the Tenere today. So today is all about improving our dust collection on our air intake, and what we're going to do with that is add the Twin Air foam filter kit that replaces this piece right here. If this is something you're interested in, please stick around for the video. So on a lot of these bikes, the big issue with the air filter is the amount of dust that can get in if you're riding on dirt roads or you're riding around where there's a lot of dirt and dust kicked up. And so Twin Air makes a really nice kit that really is very simple to install. All you have to do is take off these 4 screws, pull this piece off, leave the factory filter or whatever filter you've installed in there, and then put this filter, which is pre-oiled, on top, and then this just holds it down with the factory screws. Super simple, just another way to protect your engine. It just gives you one more layer of protection for your motor. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. This kit is kind of pricey, but I think that for the value that you get with it, it's worth it. So it's a small investment to protect a larger investment. So let's go ahead and get to getting this thing in. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. And like I said, we're going to reuse these factory screws. So we'll leave them someplace they're not going to get lost. All right. And then this just slides right off. The factory paper filter is right in its place. And all we're going to do is, we'll set that right there. Now this comes, like I said, pre-oiled, and it can only go on one way, so it has an arrow. Then you have 2 holes that fit over these factory embossments. So we're just going to go ahead and place this in. Just work that around the 2 areas that way, and it is oily. And then this is the anodized piece that kind of seals everything, and it goes with the arrow moving forward. Again, pretty self-explanatory. And then it's just screwed back down. And it seals by just compressing that foam against the factory air channels that exist. All right, you're done. So we've replaced basically an open conduit straight into that air filter to something that's just going to pre-filter the air before it gets into your air filter before it goes to your motor. Now you can buy these, again, these are pre-oiled. You can wash them and then re-oil them so they're reusable. I'm going to get a second one just to have on the bike in case for some reason I'm out for several days and we're in really dusty conditions. I can just change it out real quick if I want to, or just to have a spare. So super easy. Like I said, it is a little bit pricey, but I think it's going to work well and keep this engine nice and healthy. So this is Dan. Thanks for watching. Check us out next time as we continue to add things to the Tenere.